AI tools for smarter work description. Discover AI-powered tools that will save you hours of work every week. This playlist covers the best free and paid tools to boost productivity, automate tasks, and help your business grow faster. Are you tired of spending countless hours creating, editing, and posting content, only to feel burnt out and behind schedule? What if I told you there are AI tools that can handle 80% of that work for you? In today's video, I'm revealing 20 must-know AI tools that every content creator should be using in 2025. These tools will help you write faster, edit smarter, repurpose content, automate design, and even generate video scripts, just like this one. Whether you're a solo creator, freelancer, or agency, these tools will literally save you hours every week and level up your content quality. Section 1: Writing and Copy Creation Tools. Let's start with writing tools, because content starts with words. These are the best AI writing tools I recommend. 1. ChatGPT. Use it to draft emails, captions, headlines, and blog posts in minutes. 2. Jasper. Great for high-conversion marketing copy and long-form SEO articles. 3. Copy.ai. Excellent for social media captions, product descriptions, and ad copy. 4. Anyword. Optimizes your copy with predictive analytics and real-time data. 5. Lex. Page. A distraction-free writing assistant that thinks with you. You can pair these with prompt templates to generate consistent tone and voice across your content. Section 2: Content Planning and Research Tools. Next, let's talk strategy. I can do your research and content planning too. 6. Notion AI. Create weekly content calendars, brainstorm content ideas, and manage client projects in one place. 7. AI PRM for ChatGPT. Gives you hundreds of ready-made marketing and SEO prompt templates. 8. Keyword Insights. Great for clustering keywords and building topic maps. 9. Answer the Public. Use AI to identify real-world questions your audience is already asking. 10. Surfer SEO. Combine AI plus SEO to optimize blogs and landing pages in real time. Section 3: Visual Design Tools. AI is getting scary good at visuals, so let's make your content look stunning with less effort. 11. Canva Magic Design. Auto-generates visual posts, thumbnails, and reels using simple prompts. 12. Leonardo AI. Generate hyper-realistic, brandable visuals and product mockups. 13. Remove.bg. Instantly erase photo backgrounds. 14. Illustroke. Converts text prompts into SVG illustrations for your brand. 15. Luca. An AI logo maker for branding across platforms. Section 4: Video Creation and Editing Tools. If video content is your thing, and it should be, these AI tools will blow your mind. 16. Pictory. Turn blog posts or scripts into engaging short videos. 17. Descript. Edit videos by editing text. Yes, it's that easy. 18. Runway ML. Add AI-generated effects, remove objects, or even create scenes. 19. Lumen 5. Make video content from URLs or written content in seconds. 20. 11 Labs. Voice clone yourself or create natural voiceovers using AI-generated voices. Imagine making daily videos without filming or editing. It's all possible now. There you have it, 20 powerful AI tools to help you create, post, and grow like never before. These aren't just trends. They're the new standard. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI scaling secrets every week. Want me to walk you through setting up a full content creation system using these tools? Drop a comment saying, "System," and I'll make it happen.